So let's say we have to. So yesterday we fetched the authorization code token, right?
Yes.
Authorization code we fetched, right? So now, when we are able to test our authenticate authorized application. So now what we need to do, so we need to fetch the extract the access token from the authorization code. Okay.
Yeah.
So this authorization code generally we use for our for different confidential clients, such as any web application running on server, right? And then we exchange the authorization code for an access token. You said to get the authorized access to protected resources, right? I show you the link, right, where we give the fetch the access token and give the access token to the protected resources, right? So the now we'll try to get the access token with the help of this authorization code. So we'll use the postman for that one. Okay. So can you first create the code again, authorization code again? Can you run that yesterday command again to fetch the authorization code?
Anything is fine, right?
Yeah, I mean same thing fine. So any client, yeah. And can you open the client as well once? Can you open the client
Like
as well? I just want to
client.
see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Client.
Applications. Auth 2.0 clients, and this one, open it, scroll down. Okay, can you do one thing? Create a new client with the name my client. It's fine. We need to
Okay.
create a client secret as well. So go back,
Okay.
add client, add, no, go back, add client. Yeah, give the client ID. Take M
Client
small,
is fine.
M small, make M small. So that's a standard. Right. In the client secret, you can write Forgerock.
Forgerock all caps or small or
Small, small.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Under redirect URL.
Yeah, you can give your that is like
Uh,
DSP anything. Yeah.
is okay. Okay.
Remember the Forgerock spelling. Okay. So
Yeah.
whatever
Yeah.
you will
All
need to
small.
use
FRGE or OCK.
for
Scope.
FORGEROCK, right? Scope, right? Yeah, right there. Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Create it.
Okay.
Okay. And scroll down. Yeah, scroll down. Okay, fine. Go to the next advanced page.
Yeah.
Yeah, grant type we have over here, authorization code. That's fine. Save it.
Yeah.
Okay, now you can create the authorization code with this new client.
Okay.
Mm.
Mm,
You just need to change the redirect URI and the client ID, or
mm,
copy your fifth line. Copy your
it's
fifth
line,
line,
right? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
or change the client ID over there directly. Anything you can do,
So
and change your
client.
client ID. My client. Yeah, you need to just change your client name. Else is everything same.
Scope equal to right client ID, my client. Okay, that's it, right?
Yeah, and that's it. And now you need the. So now you need to. Mm.
as admin.
Yeah, anything would work. Allow. Copy this code. Copy the code what we are getting, right?
This one.
Nah, no, the code in browser.
Up to where can I take?
Till you before end.
Yeah. Oh, yes, correct, correct. Okay. Okay.
Copy into Notepad. Yes, we have to come back, but just copy it once. Yeah, that's one. And now go to the postman.
Yeah.
So okay, testing with client credentials. So did it work? Grant typo. This is you have created this.
Yeah. Yeah, not me. One of my friend used last time.
Okay, that's fine. So with them, and today also I'm going to about the grant type client credentials. So that's a must. Okay, you can create a new request. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, and here,
Get URL, right?
yeah, right. So enter
Post, right? Get or post.
post. It's fine. We can update the post. We need post one. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Create one thing. Create a new separate collection. So we'll have a separate one. Uh, Go to the plus. This plus sign. Yeah. No, above. Yeah, above that. Above. Yeah. Create a new blank collection.
Okay.
Write AM collection. Okay. Nice. So yeah. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
now create a request on your that collection. Add a request. Click on add a request. Yeah, it will open a request. Yeah, okay. Now we can create add, make it post, and give the name access token. Okay. Uh, so here no, not here. I'm just a new request name. I was saying the above. You see the new request. You can
Here.
change the name of the that request or access token. So now we will fetch the access token with the help of the authorization code. Okay. Scroll down. Yeah. So now this one. Uh, Copy your URL.
Okay.
No, not fully. So copy till not full. Go back.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll ping you the URL. Just a second. So yeah, I pinged you a URL. Copy that one.
Sorry.
That I copied you.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So change with your one. Change the Rajiv means change that URL.
Mm,
You need to change the 8993
okay. Got it.
to till Rajiv. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Copy that.
Mm, okay. Can I paste here?
Yeah, paste here
Yeah.
and go to the authorization.
Mm-hmm.
Click this one. Click the basic authentication. Give the username and password for your client.
Um,
My client, my
okay.
client name and the client secret.
My client secret means
Password
code,
would
not code, right?
be the Forgerock. No, password would be Forgerock.
Oh, okay. 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 Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay.
And, and go to come to the params. Params. The first one, first parameter template. Here you need to write grant type authorization code. Grant type. Okay, I'll give you this. Okay.
Yeah.
So you need to give add grant type at key value and authorization code at grant type at key, authorization code at value. Yeah. Not this one yet. Copied in. I can find it. Did you receive my message, right? Yeah.
Yeah, message, but copy paste is
Okay.
yeah.
In second point key, put code CODE.
Grant underscore code.
No, no, only code CODE.
Yeah, okay. What is value?
The value that you copied into the notepad from the browser.
Okay, I see. Okay.
Okay. And now go to now add the redirect URI, third key,
Mm,
the redirect URI.
redirect.
Yes, redirect URI. Same. You put into URL, right? Read hyphen URI, hyphen URI. Yeah. Sorry, hyphen. I'm saying slash URI. The
Mm,
one which we are using from other URL, right? Redirect URI is equal to easylive.jsp. That you need to put.
this is the one.
Sorry, underscore. I mean to say.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, and the easylive.jsp that you put in that URL, right?
Yes, correct.
From that one, that redirect URI you need to use.
So can I give URL or
Yeah, you need to give this URL from where which you get the code, right? Response type code. That same redirect URL you need to give.
so up to this one is perfect?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Run it now once.
Okay. Can I hit the send button?
Yeah, can it. Yeah.
The provided access guarantees invalid, expire or revoked.
Yeah,
Invalid,
because
invalid.
it's valid for a very short period of time. So you need to recreate that again.
Which one?
The same browser URL, the same one. This one, right? You
Oh,
need to
okay.
hit the URL
Yes.
again.
Okay.
No,
I think
this
it
is
is the
the
same.
same one. No? You need to
Same.
hit the URL again. So you will get the refresh new code.
Mm, okay. So can I refresh or can I close this one?
You just go back to the get the that URL again from your notepad for the response type code. Yeah, this one. Yeah, paste that paste on the browser. Hit it to the browser. Copy the code. Till 4 only.
Yeah. Sorry. My bad.
Copy into the notepad or copy directly into the code here as well. You can do. Yeah, copy notepad. So, yeah. Now
So
copy the code.
already.
Change the no. Go to para. Change the value of code. This one. Yeah. Hit send the button. Yeah. So you get
Okay.
that. Okay. So this is
This access token and this one is different, right?
yeah. Well, that was the authorization code. So for the authorization code, they will get the authorization code, and then with the help of the authorization code, we fetch the authorization code fetch the access token. So then this access token will pass to the protected resources for them. So there's
Okay.
a two-step process for this one. So resource owner authenticate to the authorization server, and authorize the client to the access protected server, and then authorize the server validate the authorization code and exchange it will give the access token. Okay, so this access token we have created from this authorization code. Okay.
Access token code. Okay.
Yeah. And if you want to see the client side access token, go to the services ones.
Services.
Yeah, go to the services in Forgerock. Yeah, auto provider. Scroll down.
Okay.
Click the auto provider. No, no, click the auto provider. That's already created. And select the client side and access and refresh tokens. Save it. Okay, now hit that button again. You will see a different way of, no, not here. Yeah, first hit the postman. I'm not sure the code is, but let's try it. Yeah, do one thing first, get the new code, new authorization code, because it's why it's valid, because it will be used only once. To
Okay.
use it to get the access token, you need to fetch the new. Okay, or you're not using it, or you keep it idle for a few minutes, it will also expire. So that's why you're getting the message.
Yeah. Access token.
Yeah, so this is the little different access token, right? It's like a ID token. So it contains some of the, from this one, you can see the user's value that's been passing to the client. Now, how you can check that this one? So go back and go to the web browser, write jwt.io, Java,
JWT.io.
in a web browser in Google, not here. Go to the Google,
Okay.
normal Google page, yeah. So write the jwt.io. Enter it. Scroll down. So if you get this type of access token, like EY, you can see the details. So copy your access token from there.
This
Copy,
one.
no, copy the access token that created in your postman.
Okay. Complete or just a.
The only value from EY to end. Yeah.
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 Okay.
Open that
Okay.
and put it over here. Select it. Select this one. Select this one and now paste your one. So if you go down, so see, it's contain all the show the oh, scroll up, 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 scroll up. See, now see the details. So
Oh,
it's
I see.
okay. It's from a user. This one user authenticated, and CTS is a stateless grant. See the ISS is the redirect URL. This is a GOS2. Token name is the access token. Subname is your username. Scroll down. Token type bearer. Auth grant ID. This one my client. Grant type as scope, right? Authentication time, at this time you authenticated from this realm slash. Scroll down. So this will provide all the details of the access token. So whatever the present in the access token.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the client side access token that you can fetch. And the main thing is you need to notice about this which type token type it's a bearer token. Okay,
Bearer
so
means. Hello.
yeah.
Bearer means.
Bearer token is like a type of it's one of the access tokens, so format. So bearer token is a
Okay.
token. Okay.
Okay.
The type of access.
This one, na?
Yeah, this one token, yeah, this one or the small value also. So those both are the bearer token. So
Okay.
it's type of access token that we used in authentication protocol.
This one is the bearer token, right?
Yeah, because it's called bear because it's gain it's hold that token value, so it's gain the access to the associated resources. So that's what's called bear token.
Okay.
Yes, you can ask the what kind of token that access token generates. So it's a bear token.
Yeah.
So it's a long string of characters that is used to authenticate API, and we can encode it into like JWT
Okay.
and byte width. So this is a JWT, the client. When we click on the client side, right?
Yeah.
And it give us the JWT kind of JSON Web Token. So this is JSON Web Token. So which provides these values. Okay,
Okay.
and these tokens are also stateless. So means server doesn't need to store session information about the token. Means because token itself contains all the information about the server.
Okay.
So these are also called stateless tokens. Okay. Okay, so now, so we have tested the one full flow of the authorization code grant, right? So we need to test other flows as well. Okay.
Okay.
The
Yeah.
key to that you can keep sharing your screen and practice. I'll show the difference about. So the other is the implicit grant, right?
Yes,
So
correct.
if you go to the one, so there's the implicit grant. So that implicit grant is basically used for client-side browser-based applications or mobile applications that are used. So why this grant type is called implicit? Because the tokens that are returned directly to the client, the access token will be returned directly to the client. In the previous one, we have to give the extra step to get the authorization code and then that access token. Now, when we use the implicit grant, we should receive the access token directly. Right? We don't need to do the two-way step process from
Yeah.
getting the authorization code and okay. Yeah. So what you can do, you can create a new client.
New client.
Yeah.
New client. Okay.
Yeah. Same you have to, and first to do one thing is make the client side session is disable it again. Yeah. This one make it disable. Yeah.
This one, client side.
That's what it-
Use client side access refresh token. Can I disable?
Yeah, disable it because if you once you disable it, you will get the access token like a string format. Yeah, right. So
Okay.
save it. Yeah. And now uh, create a new client. Go to your applications. Go to,
Mm,
yeah, add client.
yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Yeah.
Sorry, Pranay. So can I create add client?
Yeah.
Okay.
Give any name. New client something.
This is the implicit client, na?
We will create inside it. Now, once we need to create a new client. We can
Okay.
work on existing client as well, but let's create new client. New client. Which will name
Some
any new client you can say.
um, there's some reference purpose I'm asking, Pranay. Can I use implicit?
Yeah, you can give implicit instead of new. You can write implicit client, right? And client secret you can give anything instead of like you give
Yeah,
Forgerock.
just Forgerock, all small letters.
You can give that Forgerock.
Yeah. And the redirect real same thing.
The same will work. Yeah.
So can I create?
Yeah, create that.
Okay, and then go to advanced.
Advanced, go to advanced.
In
So here we
advanced,
need to give the grant type implicit. Go there.
here,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
Implicit.
implicit, right.
Yeah.
Save that, save that. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Now go to the URL where is the response type is equal to code.
Mm, okay.
No. No. So from browser directly we will get the access token.
Okay. Yeah. Can I hit that URL?
No, you need to change the first. You need to change the response type. So now go back to the client as well. I'll show you one thing. So this implicit like for authorization code, go back to your yeah yeah. So if you see the authorization, so if you
Okay.
see authorization grant type authorization code, right? For this one, response type is code we use, right?
Yep.
The grant type implicit it for this response type is
Okay.
token over there, right? Now go
Okay.
back. And now for this one, yeah, change to yeah, copy that one.
Okay. In my client place, implicit client.
Is the implicit client correct?
Mm, okay. And scope equal to right. Okay. That's it, right?
Yeah,
Hello.
implicit client, right? And response type equal to token.
Oh, I see. Okay, here, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So can I close this URL and then hit?
You can close that. So see, you got the access token over here, right? So you
Yeah.
don't need to go through the uh, authorization code and then get the access to this implicit with the purpose implicit, you can directly get the access token. Okay.
Okay.
So
So most of the scenarios they are using authorization code only, right?
which one? Sorry.
Most of the scenarios in real time
Hmm.
they will use only authorization code grant type only.
Yeah, means most of the scene I have seen they use the authorization code and then fetch the access token. So they try to do it two-way just to make sure. So, but
Okay.
it's depend upon the client to client, which what the kind of authorization they want, right? Which grant flow they want. So it the client tells us so how they're. So if you are using mobile applications, then you have to use the implicit token, right? If you want to anything authorized to that. So this authorization code will not work for the mobile applications to authorize the mobile applications. But so for that you have to use the implicit token. So there is also some limitations for each auth grant flow, right? So what each grant flow. So basically for most of the web applications, they use authorization code, but if they want to use the mobile applications, they use the implicit flow. Right. But there could be, we can use these both flows simultaneously as well, right?
Yeah.
If you see in your,
So can we test this scenario in Postman?
which one?
This one, token, access token.
Yeah, you can fetch the same thing from access token as well. So you can do that. So,
So
but you'll get the access token. Yeah, you can do that. The access token from browser. But then you need to give the, but this one will be little bigger because here you need to give the your cookie details as well.
okay.
Uh, I plan a direct repo. If you want to try, you can try. Do you want to try? It will take time, but so because it will be the same, the whatever you do on the browser, right? So that same the Postman command you have to write. So it will have the cookie data and everything. So
Okay.
mhm.
Is it required? You will go. Otherwise,
Yeah, you can try it on your free time. It's fine. So you can
I don't actually how.
um, so I'll give you the on I have in my notepad. So it will be like okay. Let me give you an example. So can you copy it from here? Can you copy it from this group chat? So like this one, it will be.
This
I
one, right?
I copied one.
I think
Did you receive the message, right? You
yes,
received.
yes, yes.
So can you
But
copy?
it's not copied here actually.
You're not able to copy it.
I'm unable to copy this one, Pranay.
So you're able to copy it.
Is there any settings we need to change or?
Mm, and, so the whole-
What they are telling, how
Mm,
can Pranay copy messages here?
okay. Okay. So let's see if this is otherwise from where you can copy it. So take a photo of this one for now. I'm sure. Yeah. Otherwise, I'll add in the
Yeah.
PPT as well. So later on you can put in there. Just take a copy of this one, yeah. Photo of it. So you just need to add this client response and everything. The iPlanet Directory Pro is the cookie. So you need to first get the cookie as well. Your that cookie I showed you, na? That you go to the browser,
Yes,
press
yes, yes.
that cookie you need to put. So
Yep.
yeah, and then you will get the access. So it will be the same like the browser you hit na the same kind of instead of browser you will do via Postman. Okay.
Okay.
If not doesn't work, let me know. We can try next day. So so for that
Sure.
one, so we tested the, so now what I'm saying, so we can test the both flows. Sometimes client ask they want have the hybrid flow. So what is the hybrid flow basically?
Hybrid flow. Okay.
Hybrid flow. So hybrid, what is the hybrid flow basically? Hybrid flow where you can test the both two flow at one time, right? So where you want to perform
Okay.
you want to perform the authorization grant implicit flow at once. So how would you do that? So
Okay.
here you have already added grant type authorization code implicit, right? So it's
Yes.
here you have set it now. It can be called as a hybrid. So it can be tested with a hybrid flow now because it has both grant type, right? Now and it has
Yeah.
scroll down for that. Scroll
Yeah.
down. So if you see response, scroll down. You scroll up. Little scroll up. Okay, so scroll up. Little scroll up where response type I can see. Yeah, it's going down. Yeah, up. Yeah. So if you
Yeah.
see
Response time.
response type, you can see code token, ID token, now code token, right? So we have this already response
Yes.
code token. So this we should get now if we test with the same URL, and we need to update the response type. And if we give both this response type, we should get the authorization code and access token in a single hit, in single web browser hit. So how will we do that? We have already setting this application. So now go to your URL. There you just need to do one small change.
Okay.
Go to the URL. Yeah. Here you see the uh, code, right? Response type code, your ninth one.
Response type. Yeah. Can I copy
Yeah.
this one?
No, 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 don't need to copy. You just update this
Okay.
one. Code after code, write this slash 20% slash percent 20 percent. So code percent 20 after response type code.
Code. Okay.
Okay, here before and go
Mm-hmm.
one before and add percent 20
Type equal to code equal
percent 20.
percent.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we need to add
Percent.
20,
20,
20.
right?
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
yeah. So, and then you can write token.
Response underscore type equal to code
And
percentage 20
add
equal to.
token. Token, you can add token to your token only token word. That's it.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah. Now test
What does
that.
that mean? What does that mean? 20 token.
So what? Why? Because we are adding both response type together, right?
Yeah.
Uh,
That is okay. That is called 20. Okay.
so it's like we need to add this code token. So a
Okay.
percentage we need to add it so that it's take the both response type.
Yeah.
So it's like so make it the URL to make it work with both
Okay.
because we are trying to combine code and token.
So can I close this one?
Yeah. So it's
So can I hit the
but
URL?
here if you see the code and token is some spaces, right? So we need to remove that. So that we need to write.
Mm, where can I? Code and token?
The code and token is written like that, no? But in a browser we need to give code percent token. So to encode it as to encode the spaces. Okay.
Yes. Yeah, so can I copy this one or
Yeah.
is there any space required here?
No, no space is required.
Okay. Mm, it's getting service alive.
Response type is not supported.
Not supported. 20% not.
That's when the response type is not supported. Error, unsupported response type. We add the implicit. Okay. So we should get the access token. Go back to the implicit one, unsupported response type. For which one, which client you are testing? Go show me the URL once. Did you change the client name?
Easelive.jsp, Pranay.
Client, which client? You have to test for implicit, which client? Implicit client you are testing, right? I guess the client name you didn't put right. The client name at the end of URL, if you
This is the
see.
implicit, my client, implicit client.
Yeah, you
Uh,
have to change the name of it.
oh, here change implicit.
Yeah, implicit. So because in the implicit client, we have both flows, right?
Yes, yes, correct. Not supported.
Show me the client once.
Code percentage 20
Okay.
token
Go to the.
and
Uh, this is looks fine.
redirect underscore URI user i.jsp client underscore ID equal to implicit client and scope equal to write.
Yeah. Can you go to the Forgerock console? Just want to see if you're missing anything.
Yeah.
So we have which clients implicit client we are using select time public select time public and checking.
Anything wrong with URL or any in between any required any 20 something like that is 20 token is there, right? Is there any required extra?
Oh, token redirect URI. Scroll right. Scroll right, implicit client and scope right. Yes, please. Find to use. So what error you are getting?
Not supported.
Not support.
Not supported error.
Okay,
Unsupported response type.
can you
Response
go to the
type
services? Services.
services. Okay.
Hmm.
We need to add any service here.
Yeah. Go to the that one. What do you say? Or to pro
Clients.
or to provider. Or to provider.
What to provider, right? Okay.
Okay. Go to advanced.
Go to
Yeah, ID token code. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Yeah, scroll down.
Implicit token, SAML to refresh token.
We have to. We have find all the settings. It will work. I'm just checking what is missing. Yeah, we are using same things. Go to a client one.
Client. Go to client. Okay.
And go to the client. We have authorization code. Client.
Um, Client. My client.
Which one? Implicit client.
Yeah, it's
Advanced.
all advanced. Okay.
Yeah, so we
Yeah,
have.
here we have two, right? Authorization code and implicit.
Right, fine. So scroll back. Go to the core. Go to the core tab.
Code. Okay.
Go to
Core
the.
tab. Okay.
So here it goes. Code lifetime 120 seconds. Default is 120. How much? Default is 120, I guess. So that's why it's scroll down. That's fine. So client, we have code, we have scope, we have redirect, we have. Right. So we should receive the both. Okay, go back to URL.
Okay.
Yes, it's fine. The settings are good. So we not. So go to the your URL once. Not here.
Mm,
Not
okay.
here.
Yeah.
Not bad. Yeah. So which one is using
Line
implicit?
number 12.
Yeah, so the G auth authorized response type equal to code
Code.
to
Percentile 20 token. All small, right?
yeah, all small code percent token 20%.
And
Is
redirect URL is
it's 20, correct? Yeah,
yeah
not code.
20. Yeah. No. 20.
Okay, 20 token. Give the client ID and client ID. Scroll right. Try again. Into the
Yeah.
new. Try again. Spelling is right? Implicit
Yeah.
code.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Try again. Response type is not supported. Have unsupported response type, right? So I'm getting this.
Something here only some here response code hybrid model. This 20 type something here only something not
Saying
supported.
response type. Okay, saying code person. Go back. Um,
Okay.
the response type you are given, that's not working as expected. Response type code person. Yes, show me the response is type CODE percent 20 token. Oh, token and yeah, that looks fine. Code percent STU access authorize response type code percent token to lucky token. Can you show me? Just keep showing me. I'm just checking the URL. Code percent zero. Can you get to zero? Copy the URL again.
Yep.
And copy into some other, copy the browser, not open the new browser, just which is already authenticated. Try over there. Not this one, yeah, just which where your AM admin open access now on that one. Yeah, this one, try here. Response
Same.
type, unsupported response type. Giving the response type. Okay, can you give ID token with the response type code
Where,
instead of
Pranay?
token? Give ID hyphen token.
Okay.
ID hyphen. Sorry, underscore. I always say hyphen underscore. Show me the client. Wait, okay, is your implicit? Okay, client name is right? Implicit CT, right? Can you check your client?
Oh, for my bad.
Show me the client name over you have added.
Mm,
Show me the client name. Yeah, it's a client name spelling is not correct.
my bad, sorry.
No, yeah. Change it to the token again. Yeah. Please.
Mm, okay.
You haven't, still it's wrong. Implicit. Uh, spelling is still wrong.
IMPLI, IMPLICT. Correct,
Implicit.
right?
Okay. Right. Implicit. Okay. Client. Okay.
IMCT
C capital. Okay. Implicit. Okay.
here, CT, yeah, implicit. Yeah,
Okay.
correct only, right?
Right. Okay. Use this one code percent IT20. Let's see what the response
So
will.
can I remove ID?
Let it test it this way. It's fine.
Okay. And then previous also same like that only, IMPLICT.
So let's see. Now try this one. Yeah. So here you get the code. I scroll, copy this full URL and ID token both. See. Okay. ID token I have to discuss. But now can you check with the token as well? Yeah. Copy this one. Now go back to your URL. Okay, do one thing. Go to this one is you're not able to check. Go to the view. Go to the view on the notepad.
View, okay.
Go to view once. Yeah. Go to the word wrap. Click the word wrap. Yeah. So it will now limit to the here. So it will work right. So code equal to then ID token. This is whole is the ID token. Okay. So go back to the URL
Go back to the URL. Okay.
and now this URL on notepad. Make it token instead of percent token. Percent 20, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That we wanted to test, right? So
Okay.
Make it token now. Remove the ID and underscore.
Okay. Mm,
यही code %20 है ना, right here. Here you need to remove the ID hyphen only. Bas. We will test with code and token now. Yeah. Now copy that. Try it. Try it as the same one. Okay, this something. This code %token is. I guess we need code. I just want like code ID token is first type code ID token. The code hyphen or %ID token is working. But this go back to the your client once and their
client.
client type. Yeah.
Okay.
And no, here in Forgerock console.
Okay. Client.
Yeah, scroll down, go to advanced tab. Yeah. So here we have, do we have the code token? No, we have code token, we have code ID token. Technically, it should work, but I'm not sure why it's not working. Because see, the code and ID token worked. In the second line, if you see, the code and ID token worked, right? So what I was testing, I
Code
was
and
ID token works. In response type, go to the second line, first word. So this we have tested this work, but somehow the code token is not. We are getting error. Okay, no worries. I'll check that. Okay.
okay.
Okay. But it's the hybrid flow works like that. So we can have
Okay.
code token, code ID token, so both at one page. So that's the one I want to test. Right. So you can check that as well.
Yeah.
So, mhm. So this we have tested the three type of flows, like authorization code, implicit flow, and the hybrid flow. So
Yeah.
there are some other flows as well, client credential, device flow. So we will I guess test on start to practice on Monday. Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
Mhm. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Give.
That's right.
You understood, right? So how this
Yes. Yes.
goes.
Yes.
Okay.